May tayo ginagawa sa tanan sa mga pagmati sa radyo.
Sige sir, paistorya bisan anong tabo sa both parties nga rakabi sa may Aliputos.
At about 10:20 in the evening of April 5, 2026, Juniper Villanueva, Barangay Tanod of Barangay Aliputos, Numancia Aklan, appeared the station and requesting police assistance that reported that there is a alleged hacking incident transpired at said barangay. Immediately, PIMS Eric Latsika together with MAP and proceeded to the said place and verify and conduct investigation. Upon their arrival, the victim identified as Joey Mangilog E. Montoya, 45 years old, single farmer, who was hack wounds on his back, neck, head, and shoulder. Batting on his bloods, and the suspect is identified as Nilvin Crispino, END, 35 years old, single, both residents of Barangay Aliputos, Numancia Aklan, who was wounds in his forehead, left back of his shoulder, and both arms. Investigation conducted by revealed that around 10:15 in the evening of same date, when victim passed by at the house of certain Bingbing, located a few meters away from the house of suspect, and victim suddenly hacked the victim on his back, neck. Victim hurriedly got his knife from his waist and hold the suspect on his shirt, while suspect was also caught the victim on his shirt. On said instance, suspect hacked the victim for several times, hitting his head and shoulder, while victim also stabbing the suspect. When the victim stumbled on the ground, suspect set over the victim and hacked, hitting the head. Thereafter, suspect ran to the dark portion of the said place to hide. Turned over by suspect and victim were the weapons they used during the incidents as follows: one bolo measuring 19 inches long from the tip to handle, and one knife measuring 7.5 inches long from tip to handle. Suspect was located and arrested after positively identified and pinpointed by the victim and witnesses. He was informed of his offense committed, his constitutional rights, and anti-torture warning in dialect known, and then brought and detained at Numancia MPS custodial facility for filing of appropriate charge in court after his medical treatment and physical examination at Dr. Rafael Stumbok Memorial Hospital. While victim was brought by the Numancia MDRMO rescue personnel at the same hospital for his immediate medical treatment.
May parehas paalid sir parehas nga may ninamanda ano ro consideration sa inyong treatment sin or victim mag-suspect gen.
Sa pag-investigar among investigator do suspect nga si Joey Mangilog E. Montoya nga do victim nga nagatikang gapadto sa Numacian. Ay giabangan ni Joey nga may kuan niya may sandok ko sa nang lima. Ag nagambalik dayang suspect nga dayang anong aramig ag tapos aging yabo na do victim.
Sir, ba inistoryahan yun, sir? Kamo, sa biktima nga ra kung mapasakat kaso kontra kay ano ra? Suspect?
Ay do mapasaka do victim kaso.
Anong kaso ra, sir?
Frustrated murder.
Prostituted murder ta. Nag-abang tabi sir no base sa investigation ginabangan ta ro victim nga ra.
Ay wasan at discussion basaging Gati agad to abido victim nga ra sa namatyan. Ang tapos inabangan ni suspect nga ra.
Positive sir may kwan na yang nga may record sa barangay or even kinyo iyang allegedly ro biktima ra nagabili na oy permiyag istorbo sa palibot kung may inyo.
Wa pa na ako sir na kuando kung may mga records na nga ra. Base sa barangay na.
Sir, pero naka-istorya mo, sir, kung may mga old grudges na mga dati sinabanggian ba ta? Una, bago natabo residente.
Oo, may andang mga
Previous-
mga diskasan mga pagdanda.
Okay. Di bali, ano sir, naka-istorya no, di nga suspect sir, pamilya at biktima sir. Yes, sa naman siya PNP.
Ay wa pa man.
Do medical status sir, it biktima sir, kamusta?
Ito sa sa provincial hospital.
Okay.
Dugang ka ra sir kaso ka na if ever sa suspect ro pagka recover man na sa doko na apisar nga ginsurrender na.
Oo.
Okay. So absurd man gali no. Sige.
Ay do kuan malabi kaso gyapon karay frustrated murder.
Hindi ka sa PD. Kung ano, presidential decree.
Oh, sa illegal sa batas pa man sa
Batas
bilang
pa man sa-
anim.
Ay do mataas abi do kaso do frustrated murder.
Okay.
Oo, sige. Tumagagsahon mo lang nan sir nga itabo sa aton nga area no bagod man sa kahilungon.
Oo ay nakainom abisan na nga ratanan do victim ag do suspect.
Ayun.
Para sir, nakainom bago natabo.
Sige.
Oo.
Okay. Vamos siguro. Sir, amin sa lang siguro sa imong magkatanaw makal sir nga hindi kung kunta mo man sa naman siya makarakas presidente sir.
Do sa tanan nga pumuyo kung mag-inom kunta kita sa ag may kaaki kita sa atong mga kagapit o kuan dapat ay mag-isip anay kita mag-ubra at magain.
Sige sir, thank you so much.
Salamat sir, thank you.